Now, in this lecture, we will learn goals of software architecture. The primary goal of the architecture is to identify requirements. The primary goal of the architecture is to identify requirements that affect the structure of the application. A well-led software architecture reduces the business risks associated with building a technical solution and builds a bridge between business and technical requirements. Some of other goals are as follows: expose the structure of the system but hide its implementation details, realize all the use cases and scenarios, handle both functional and quality requirements, improve quality and functionality offered by the system, improve external confidence in either the organization or system, reduce the goal of ownership and improve the organization market position, try to address the requirements of various stakeholders.